The Weber test is an audiological clinical assessment. The test is designed to gauge a patient's hearing loss using a tuning fork to see if the hearing loss is unilateral or sensorineural. Unilateral conductive hearing loss is a type of hearing loss where the sound coming from the tuning fork lateralizes to the affected ear, which means that the sound is louder in the affected ear. On the other hand, sensorineural hearing loss is where the sound does not lateralize to the affected ear, but instead the sound is louder in the unaffected ear. What the Weber test does is determine which part of the ear is related to the hearing loss. If the hearing loss is unilateral conductive, the affected parts of the ear are the outer and middle ears. If the hearing loss is sensorineural, then the affected part is the inner ear. This test should only be conducted by audiologists and ear, nose and throat doctors. To use our Weber test, follow these steps. Download our Weber test from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Before conducting the Weber test, the healthcare professional must find a completely silent room as the venue for the test. Firstly, have your patient sit down and do the following. Ask your patient which ear is affected. Hold the base of the tuning fork. Softly strike the tuning fork's tines on your elbow or knee and make it vibrate. Place the tuning fork right in the middle of the patient's forehead or in the middle of the vertex. Make sure that the fork is touching the skin. Ask the patient if the sound is louder in the left, right, or middle. If the patient hears a sound right in the middle and the loudness is equal for both ears, that means their ears are fine. If the sound is louder in their affected ear, this is indicative of a unilateral conductive hearing loss. If the sound is louder in the unaffected ear or the better ear, this is indicative of sensorineural hearing loss. Here is a sample of our Weber test, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our Weber test, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.